Hello everyone, welcome back to One2Step. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to fix Instagram error while trying to change your profile picture. I received this kind of an error message when I was changing my profile picture on Instagram. So let me show you how to fix this issue in today's tutorial. The first thing you can try doing is checking if you have a strong internet connection or not. Try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data in order to update your profile picture on Instagram without any kind of a problem. Once you're sure you have a strong internet connection and it's working just fine, then you can go and try changing your profile picture once again. However, not having a strong internet connection might not be the only case in this issue. Sometimes there might be an error caused in the Instagram application. So what you can do is try going to your web browser and type in www.instagram.com and sign into your account from your web browser and try changing your profile picture on Instagram. Once you've changed your profile picture from the web version of Instagram, you can go back to the Instagram app and try refreshing your profile. After this, your profile picture should be successfully updated. If you are still encountering the same problem, even if you are trying all those fixes that I mentioned, then the next thing you can do is go to your settings on your device and under settings tap on apps. Search for Instagram from the app list, and once you find the app, tap it on. Doing this will open the app information section of the apps that are installed on your device. Now, under users, tap on storage. Try clearing the cache and tap on clear data in order to clear all the files, settings, accounts, and databases of Instagram. After you do that, go back to your Instagram application and sign into your Instagram from the beginning. These were some of the fixes that you can try in case you are not being able to upload your profile picture on Instagram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.